Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a text file on a PC. This is pretty simple, but before doing that I'm requesting you to subscribe this channel and also requesting to hit that like button. So first of all, you need to click on the right button of your mouse and then you will see these options and you need to select this new option and you need to choose an option from the right side. And here you will see many options. You need to choose this one, text document. Here you can set the name of this file. Here I am setting its name, testing, and now you can open it, and here you can type anything you want. Hello. Then if you want to save this file, then you can click on file button and then you need to click on save button. So that's it, how you can create a text file on your PC. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.